Are you looking for the best dash cams? In this video we will look at some of the 6 best dash cams on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Rexing V1 Car Dash Cam. Roaring ahead in our race to uncover the best dash cam is the Rexing V1. This awesome 170-degree angle camera manages to capture as much of the road as possible in glorious 1080p HD footage. It's so clear that you'll be able to see each bead of sweat cascading down the faces of those who know they've messed up. That's not all, though. The built-in G-sensor protects you further by detecting accidents and securing them, while the looping video activates without you having to lift a finger. Furthermore, the discreet design of this car gadget doesn't draw attention to it and allows it to perfectly blend into your car, and while not included, it can house up to 128 gigabytes of microSD storage, giving you hours upon hours of recording capability without needing to clear the memory. It comes at a reasonable price, but after just one accident will pay for itself, meaning when it comes to functionality, design, and results, it's in its own lane altogether. Number 2. Vantrue MX2 ProUber Dual Dash Cam. The Vantrue MX2 ProUber Dual Dash Cam is, as you might be able to tell, the best dual dash cam for Uber, Lyft, taxi, and novice drivers. By having 2 cameras, you can capture all the goings-on both in and outside the car, and be sure to have every base covered in the event of an incident. Capable of housing up to 256 gigabytes of memory, you can capture what'll feel like days of footage, which is essential when you're spending as much time in your car as ride-sharers do. It's also a night vision dash cam with an infrared recording that holds up solidly against other models, providing marvelously clear shots that make the night scene not as scary as some of you once thought. While it's slightly larger than other models, it's this size that makes it so effective. Without it, you'd be stuck with any old camera that is only half as effective. Whether you're seeking the peace of mind, protection, an electronic gift for a tech lover, or proof of your pals, this is a camera you shouldn't dismiss in a flash. Number 3. OldShark Dash Cam. If you live in a part of the country, or even the world, where you can fry an egg on your dashboard more frequently than you'd like, then the OldShark car camera is not the solution to the heat by any means, but it is designed to withstand this heat where other cameras might fail. This isn't all though, thankfully, and you'll also get a camera that's very useful, both night and day in sharp 1080p resolution. Developed with automatic on-off features, you can capture everything you need, even if you don't remember what you're doing, while the crash detection function ensures that any footage is automatically saved. This gadget is easy to use, easy to mount, and easy to view, with a clear LCD screen that's essential for viewing footage immediately. With this camera, you can keep cool in any situation. Number 4. Pruveeo MX2 Dash Cam. Offering a 320-degree rotating viewing angle, this Pruveeo MX2 is an HD dash cam that might not reach the crystal clear heights of some of our pics resolution-wise, but does offer a decent throwback to the times of 480p, yet still makes up for it with reliability and durability that other cameras might miss out on. It has a discreet design which sits seamlessly into your car, while also being easy to connect to the power ports for automatic switching on. If you're conscious about recording, you can mount a 32GB microSD card which will give you a day's worth of driving on average. Furthermore, the dual cameras provide multiple angles that you can pick from, allowing for a customization unseen in other cameras. Delivering recording coverage that is hard to find for such a reasonable price, it's an excellent budget option for taxi drivers or concerned parents. This can also be a perfect gift for car lovers in your life. Number 5. Street Guardian V3 Dash Cam. Our final pick is the Street Guardian V3 Dash Cam that comes with a CPL filter for excellent nighttime driving footage, as well as a 32GB microSD card included in the package. It's also been developed to provide consistent recording with a useful set and forget function, so you can be confident of capturing every shot of the road ahead, serious, hilarious, or somewhere in between. As a little extra, Street Guardian has also included motion detection support which runs 24/7 to protect your car while you're fast asleep. All of this is done in clear 1080p at 30 frames per second to guarantee you captures as much detail as possible. While not as attractive as other products, why should you care? It's not a fashion show. What this camera is, though, is a car video recorder that endeavors to make your life as easy as it possibly can, so embrace that, let it do its job, and you can do yours, too. Number 6. Rove R2-4K Dash Cam. The Rove R2-4K Dash Cam is one of the best reviewed products in this category. It doesn't matter what we tell you, we can't be as convincing as thousands of happy customers who have lived with this product day to day. So, if you're looking for a quick decision, go ahead and click the buy button. If you want more details, keep reading. Arguably, the most important detail is the image resolution. This camera shoots in 4K up to 2160p, so you get an ultra-clear, brightly colored, and vivid image. It also has super night vision technology, allowing you to capture clear video and pictures in low-light conditions. Videos and pictures are automatically uploaded to a memory card, not included, and you can access them using the Rove app. The app lets you view, share, and download your clips for personal or legal use. Another reason to buy the Rove R2-4K Dash Cam is the built-in G sensor, which detects collision and automatically saves the video clip as important evidence.